Bike kenekwa mono bike ba obuni isi na nene m n'ụbọchị nke tata kaba arụ biko na-eshare kwa no video anu mgbe obuni ji for this video kaba arụ mee gịnị share ya kaba kwa na arụ mee gịnị bịa kwuru gị anyị ntị for some minutes because o nwere some important thing I need the address n'ụbọchị nke tata. Some important thing I need the address. We can have a because Kabaru share this video because now when something in cho kaiti go on here. You know, I could scream my and you have one picture that place. You have picture on follow yesterday because now all these things in there, remember you have Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki. I'm not here to come and defend Akwa Okuko, never. But I'm here to make some vital points. And with some vital points I have mother make a manner which a mother than here and so because before then can cover head on this picture. This picture is again mother commenting. Afudon. On comment through na page somebody or once again go and sit down. All those guys you did our work for in Oka, in all those guys that you did our work in Akwa place did anyone work? Or say Akwa is just eating people's money, no work. Is because he's a small boy. My guy spent 5 million there. The thing no work. My other guy spent 3.8 million. He no work. I spend 1 million for my guy. He no work. I spend it. Also, I spend 1 million for my guy, which means all young. Because now overall they spend it. There's no way he is mal and they spending and then I spend it. So, but let's forge ahead. Also, and my friends spend. Me and my friends spent almost 10 million naira there. You know work. You know now, during when he sent IK away, Mwamarombo sent the IK away. Maromombo Nkahama. Then always Zukwaniki, he is doing his business, not Dibia. Also, he's doing his business and not again and not Dibia. Or hear this comment, this person now cover. Yeah, to come and listen to any garbage mother now comment. I don't sure that this are not here no mabu uche again na odi egwu anwa. I don't sure na marry here. Marry here the very stupid. Ketekpa na alacha ga anya. Marry here. Otutu ka ibia go bia comment wa rubbish na post mad. Display your stupidity here ka ndị mmadụ na-enene gị n'ihu ụwa. Amụrụ gị na amụ nwoke. Anọ here. So like I was saying, you have commenting info. Now all these things in the kemgbe 1 week ago. Maka Akwa Okuko, yana one boy juka we megini. Juka we liye ego 3 point something million, called the 3 million amarom. I'm not here to megini we defend the Akwa Okuko. Man, only him na jo. Enweli him na jo. Good morning. Good morning to you. Only hen na jo. Because na obulu na enwele ndị ka na-ekwu eziokwu. Obulu na onwe ndị decide ka ha kwuo eziokwu akwuru ya n'isi. By now ekwesịghị ikpa Akwa Okuko na phone. Know his own part of the story. Mana kita onye ọbụla na-echesi ka anụ his Akwa part of the story. Kama na eziokwu na omeli ya ka ọ na omeri ya. Mana chike the scenario mgbe asị na mmadụ ji mmadụ ụgwọ mmanya ya kwa business ka emelo physical business a na-afụ anya ejide mmadụ ụgwọ mmanya along the line asị na akwụrụ ụgwọ asị ka ebuchiata mmanya asị ka ebuchiata mmanya gidi this thing wee hogide ọhụcha ma ndị bịa welu phone kpọba ma ndị bịa gbe live camera ma ndị mehele ya ma ndị che ka ha manya ka humiliate mmadụ. All those bloggers, all those people during that incident, during that scenario, but that na on. Masinachi, good morning. All those things na me. Kita anwa we ade. we are those people kita no wana say ka just no gba nkiti kedu ebe ha no n'ụbọchị nke tata because na it's very obvious na Akwa Okuko obulugodo na Akwa Okuko because na imansi Akwa Okuko na ha bịa weta ego enye this boy imansi ka weta ego enye this boy no Akwa Okuko kwuchi ya the money. No, we are not talking about the money aspect now. We are talking about the humanity level. Kedu onye tili that boy ihe? Kedu ndị nyela order ka etinye nya bụ ihe? That is what we are talking about now. Kedu ndị nyela order ka etinye nya bụ ihe? Ọ na Akwa Okuko adịghị awe na-etili mmadụ ihe? Ọ na Akwa Okuko and ndị ọba and ọba chairman and everybody niile, can't you people come out and say okay, neki ha nwa si wee mee? Neko si wee mee na ihe the boy ime. No matter ihe ọbụla that boy ime godo, let us put humanity first in everything we are doing. Kedu onye nyere ndị mmadụ right iti that boy ihe? Eziokwu na ojegoje gwa ọgwụ. Ihe ọbụla o mete n'ọgwụ ya, he should take consequences of his action. Because na ndị be anyị na-asị gị na n'ọgwụ, na ndị be anyị na-asị gị na ụka jukwasị ha ụka asị ha nka. Ka a grown na afọ the picture na ahụ, ka a grown up man yesi wee jee ebe dibia spend ya close to 10 million mmadụ na-atọ 3 friends kunu wee gwọọ ọgwụ. Because I never wanted to do this video from beginning. Say okay, ihe ọbụla onye mete na mere n'isi ya. But it pains me so much na ndị ahụ na-apụta see they are fighting for a just cause, that they are fighting for the common people, that they are fighting and getting for the common man, for human rights and for everything. Kedu ebe ha nọ today? Kedu ebe ha nọ today? Ndị ahụ sị na ha na fight for humanity ahụ, kedu ebe ha nọ? Has your voices gone cold? The book of Proverbs chapter 24 verse 10 also again, if you faint in the days of adversity, that means your strength is small. If you faint in the days of adversity, if you faint in the days of adversity, that means your strength is small. Also, Akwa don't pay yesterday. Once again, to the guy said he don't drop every, so you won't hear anything about this case again. Akwa na guy. Okay. Obukwa Okwana is left for him. I'm not talking about money here. That is not why I'm here. I'm talking about those people who begin to fight a just cause. Ndị na-abịa anụ ọgụ sị okay, let us speak for humanity, let us mee nka, let us mee nka, na anya ọbụna mee nka na ya akpọta ya to justice, na people should be held responsible for the action, people should be held accountable for the action, people should do this, people should do that. So many people are dragged go because of one incident that we are not verified, duly verified. Bupute ha na live video kita atọwa gwaba ha okwu dị aṅa. Because I believe in gina mmadụ nwe issue, go and settle any issue more than about social media. It was a settle. Ibe Valentine ekene good morning sir. Onye ọbụla bute okwu na social media believe na I believe in okwu ahụ agago, but let us not remove the fact that this young man was abused. This young man was humiliated. This young man was abused. Also, good morning, man. I say, you see in this life, whatever you are doing, just know you are on your own. Yes. But just know the fact that this young man was abused. Can only take the responsibility for it till the only the order see this young man here. Because social media they don't know for okuya. The man besim na this young man jeba akwa he offer onya well. It's a lie. That guy business gone wrong, transaction gone wrong. Akoko the money akwo, fine and good, but who is going to be held responsible? Because I waited all these people push for humanity, for human rights, for ngiankanwa, for ibatu for mmadụ ihe ọjọọ, abịa gbe camera, ekwu okwu, akpọ mmadụ na phone, ajụa question. All these people bukwana ambassador endorsement Akwa Okuko. Can I make something on social media no? Can I now this man no moto. One got here. How will the issue? I promise him moto, I promise him moto. enweta complain enweta complain kana you can walk away from the ambassadorship. Kana you walk away from the ambassadorship. A lot of you today none of that kulele son unu mana Akwa Okuko is your CEO. Have you people called him to order saying na biko na kedu ka ihe anụnwa si wee mee? We your ambassadors wanted to know. And if he is not giving you good answer he deserve, you have every right, you have everything here, man. He walk away from the contract. Make una leave Akwa alone. Ana happy Akwa because na onyo tili happen on one mother. I'm not here for people like you. Because obona ine I'm here to talk to obona also some mother now can talk with sense into them. I'm okay. Obona also some mother now can talk with sense into them. I'm okay. I'm not here for somebody and for people like you. Muna Akwa bro nwanne muna yesiru ofu ebe aga aburo mo onye oba ajoro m ejinu bem na Akwa Okuko. But I'm saying for the fact na onye nke anu drop comment and mother na ato jekwa the same spend the close to 10 million naira ka ha wee gwuo ogwu. The thing na Akwa Okoro. Oh, imagine na lo na ego ekwu na. Imagine na ego ekwu because na agwogo bụ na agwogo. Ehe fozi eme gini iwelo but mala na amalo. Not only so look be halo weze. We halo ye will watch ya chibo nyoku chibo nta. Like I was saying, that's an you quote to that Bible verse of Proverbs 24. Or listener, if you faint in the days of adversity, that means your strength is small. Have been waiting, Kabeba drag ya koko the USA drag indoors. But it's very obvious that a lot of you people has been compromised. A lot of you has been getting compromised in one way or the other because now everybody name a relationship based on advantageous one. Mboso yeli bidoge kide kwukwana kunyela onya maka enwe eme ihe dia ebe anu no onye me mma agwa ya no metele mma. I'm not saying Akwa Okuko should refund that guy money because now ndị ba ya ada anu ihe. Ndị ba imagine ada anu ihe. They believe na igwe ogwu bụ omenala Igbo. Igbo has never been omenala Igbo. Before even God, before na agozigi, also I will bless the work of your hand. Igbo haburu omenala Igbo. Nunu na-eje ebulia senta ya na ka eje gwogwo ogwu ka eje na nka akwa ka eme nka na oburu na agwanyeli ihe obune na eme imekata itoeli obele ogwu ka o we na aga. Kiti ije goje toeli obele ogwu, toeli ya isi gi. Toeziali ya ahụ ụfụ. But the question I'm asking all these people, my brothers, my sister, na camera, I drag ya some people because now I'm beginning to see this justice seeking because today no one seek justice no one seek justice because now obolo ni ina seek justice and this justice stand. Why would you keep quiet in a time like this? Why would you keep quiet in such a time like this? Kitonyo obuna the last na check Akwa Okuko. Mana mgbe Akuzayo no nwe problem with people. Ana ekusi na akwa afa. Mgbe Akuzayo nwe problem, ase na akwa ile ego, ejukawele ego, a lot of you ndị mmadụ pụta gubie, ma ndị na share post, ma ndị na support propaganda, ma ndị na agba camera every day. Now the young man here receive regia. Hey, obuna nwoke receive regia. You know I'm not called. Obuna nwoke receive regia. We are out for justice. Where is the justice for this young man actually here now? Don't go and recover the money. Who is going to take responsibility for the action done to this guy? But he made video support to say obuna apiare ya sema like isi pia ya. Ichefuza na that person bụ nwa mmadụ. That person aha apiali ha bụ nwa mmadụ. That person aha apiali ha bụ nwanne mmadụ. You may blame our people first. See, open us also ego came in this transaction. Imanu katonum. But it's very obvious. It's very obvious that a lot of people saying that they seek justice today can never stand and seek that justice in peace. hit their hand on their chest, saying na Akwa Okuko meli ihe dị otu a. Some of you be ambassador, some of you are the same ambassador issue post to Natalia Agian Akwa. A lot of you played that video or Akwa. Take for example now for a minute. Can you think for a minute? No bolo ni ha no men kita bol Zion ministry come or any other church, any other Christian body karate name. The internet aya by any. A lot of you people in form and had the busy now. A lot of people now form and hanara affair kita will bring out their time in their busy schedule. Bring out their time in their busy schedule. Ka we megin, ka we ko inyo, make them mad ibe ha. Ka we ko inyo megin, make them mad ibe ha. In the book of Isaiah 58 or again, cry out loud, spare not, lift up thy voice like a trumpet, and show my people their transgression, and the house of Jacob their sins. And the house of Jacob again their sins. Lift up that your voice like a trumpet, and begin to show the house of Jacob their sins. Or in the Bible, and some of us may claim na a joke, some of us may claim na a humanity. But in the midst of that humanity, is it selected? And I'm joking. Or the guinea or the selected. Able ambassadorship. Come out and Guinea. This is where now most of you sign a contract. I'm already who sign. I go to terms and conditions. And when he madame, can I walked away from his contract? CEO give me right if I again as his ambassador. Obo no when he email. Then I metero that does not guide the code of the contract to no sign. CEO the ready making he walk out from that contract. You as only you want the contract, you have the right to also question your CEO. This is not why we are here. Baka balum nya balum munye dim ke ilo na asele megene na ana-ekwu nke Akwa Okuko na-ekwu ya na Lagos State ka emegene asị na enwe a special club, Lagos Club, a na-eji 10 million naira aba as entrance fee. Nyanwa ka mmadụ ji megene wee kwa 10 million naira wee buy also gate fee alone, one of them nwa. People are not petrolize ihe na kwesịrị ka a na-eti aka na ya. Ihe na kwesịrị ihe na nwere isi. People will be putting their head into it now. Onye nke aje kwụọ 10 million naira kịta wee nwụọ because of not your club. Gịnị ka a na-eme na that club ha? Club ha na-enye gift of life there. I keep asking. Ndị ba ime again, I may waste unnecessary energy ebe na kwesịrị waste something that should not even get your attention. You need waste ego there. Ọ bụrụ na onye aje club anụ ma again no mmadụ gbabulie or na mmadụ pụta again egbuo ya egbuo, that is when you begin to question say gịnị ka onye ama ihe eji wee egbu ya. What right do you have to take another person's life? Ke right inwe iwelu ndụ onye ọzọ. Because ana asị na oshimili adịghị onye na-akwụrụ ụkwụ ya. But where that oshimili ahụ bido mee gịnị lie mmadụ. Gịnị mere oshimili ahụ ji wee mee gịnị wee lie onye ahụ onye. Asịrọ mụ na je gbata Akwa Okuko ụgwọ. Understand what I'm saying. Where are the voices that has risen for the common man? Where are those voices that has risen to make ka sanitize the internet space? Ka ha gwa ndị na-ekwu eziokwu sị ha na n'eziokwu anụ nwe ikwu n'ikwutere ya. Where are those voices na-abụ mmadụ major, you call them to order? Where are they today? Or na Akwa Okuko is it not worthy to be talked sense into? Kita everybody relax because you chọrọ ka Akwa bell akwa gbapolo gị egbe mee gịnị sụalụ gị oji n'ala. Everybody, I mean because a lot of you hide your faces, your face has in one way or the other embarrassed somebody on social media and you later regretted it. Say na maro na onya na kwesịrị ime ihe anụ ime. Une embarrass go mad na this social media no. At the end of the day, making obolo na gini onya he na drag. You shouldn't have done that kind of thing ime. First lady, I see you. Good morning, First lady. Emeka Uzo. Good morning, Ekenemgi. It's very bad na ndị mmadụ ya afọcha nke bụ eziokwu. I select the part of eziokwu ha chọrọ ikwu. Ka select ya, say the truth but don't touch this area. Say this truth but don't touch this area. I'm still saying it with my full chest. Enwere ndị ebe ụmụ ndị ọya bụ na ọ bụrụ na ọ na ha nwa ka this incident mee in their circle. This internet page, on the emego video came since Saturday, on the emego more than 20 videos addressing it, posting, and we go ndina happen ye hane bring out their time and make 2 hours video. Kafuna drag ya because now I feel na this person took something from you. I feel that again this person did not give you what you really deserve. I keep saying it. If the book of Proverbs says that if you fail in the days of adversity, that means your strength is small. If you keep quiet and keep silent in the days that you are supposed to speak, that means you are not actually saying the truth. Once you put na no material in a correctional love manner. Onansi ekwu okwu akita akpọrọ m mmadụ iyi, akpọrọ m akwa ọkụkọ iyi, akpọrọ m nne na nna ya iyi, akpọrọ m ihe ọ na-eme. Aminewe gịnị crying sin na who is going to take responsibility for ihe mere that young man first? Because that young man bụ nwa mmadụ. Onye je gwa ọgwụ agwọ ọkụrụ, you go, you get out. You get out. A lot of you need 15 naira na envelope drop one at church. If they na aba na church na eli tithe and offering. Oh no, I don't 200 naira. E na aba ego gi we lụọ ụka ego gi eli tithe and offering ego I we gwelu 3 million we je gwa ọgwụ kịtịkpa lachakwa ga anya. Kịtịkpa lacha ga anya. N'obodo Nigeria anụnwa kịta anụnwa a na-ekwu ka onye ọbụla mmalụ ka isi na anya dị. Ichefuzasi na bread in ego today, bread in ego bụ 700, 500 bụzi 2000 naira today. 2000 naira nne na nna iji wee gba moto mgbe nke ha. Moto of them jicha wee go Peugeot 504 Beetle. Nwa ka iji ego a loaf of bread in our time. Iwe nwezia 3 million, 4 million ihe ji wee gbolo onwe gị mkpa. Pịakọ onwe gị ka akwa wụsa. Ese ka iwe je wolo je gwa ọgwụ. Ọgwụ ahụ rie ego lie isi gị. Una na-ebu ọgwụ na-edosasị here and there. Ọnụ nwapụta chọọchị. Ndị chọọchị rie ego anyị. Ha nwa tithe and offering na ahịa elikpo gị ya. Mana at the end of the day, ị na-eti 100 naira na envelope. Wake up. Wake up. Na ya ka mmadụ tiri no onye anụnwa na drop this comment. Ma ihe ọ dropụrụ. Ụmụ ihe ọ na-ekwu. For ndị ka abata the comment sị na gịnị mee? Ọ na-agwa mmadụ. Also, I should go and sit down. Also, again, man. Now even Akwa is eating people's money. You know they work. Also, it's because he's a small boy. If mama was a small boy, he will just be na kije go. Some of you this thing is that you will not bring out your shame. The man who put on na this man is a guy. Because you cover your face in shame. But woe be unto anybody who claim that he's saying the truth and cannot speak for this young man. Even if not for anything, for the sake of humanity, your consequences is not really fine and good. Manakwa, why did this boy was flogged like this? Guinea man, who gave the order? But answers who gave the order. So in this scenario now, Akwa Okuko, who gave the order? Oba vigilante chairman, who gave the order? Then on Akwa, who gave the, because this one man could cost even a gate fee. Akwa, iya Akwa boys 50,000 to pay a girlfriend a gate fee. Does it mean Akwa Amaron that in the mazes nabia? He knows. The same consultation fee una and the church in Anuno, because the same consultation fee in Akona Balusi. Now who is fooling who? Who is getting fooling who? Obro ne kwori ya no ka obo ne kwori as tithe and offering. Alusi analegia asị ndị je ije gwọ ọka ite. Ọ bụ na alụsị anaghị gị asị ndị je ije gwọ ọka ite. Ndị polisi anara gị asị na-elebere gị asị gịnị as yahoo boy. All those things bụ gịnị bụ that gịnị devourer ha na-ekwu okwu ya. Devourer will not come as a beast in afọ anya. Devourer will come in so many ways. Devourer na-abịa as sickness. Devourer na-abịa as police. Devourer na-abịa as so many things in order to make sure na that 1/10 ahụ ya apụ gị n'akpa. And that 1/10 apụrụ gị n'akpa in a right way. 20% apụọ gị n'akpa in a wrong way. By then you will learn the very hard way. You learn again in a hard way. This guy, kita ga for comment here no. Because Rebecca said, he will be on live video doing live program now, receiving calls. Yes. Imaku. Ima. If a CEO can fire you because now you failed in their code of endorsementship, you as an ambassador, you have the right to walk away from any ambassador deal CEO against the humanity you believe in. Let it start with you. Can I did it? And that should be, I think all this year, he walked away from Magwata here contract because Magwata have broke what he believed in. I made video saying from today, I'm no more associated with this so and so company. But it's so sad that the voice of many has gone cold. The voice of many have gone cold. The voice of many. Even when the voice of Eli, even when the eye of Eli became dim, I told you people now, leave Eli alone. That the voice, even though the eye of Eli has become dim, he will be the next to coach the young Samuel. Because even when Samuel as a young prophet, only think when I say, Master, you call me, or say I did not call you. But Eli being Ochi Dike Obu, Onyen Choaja Dike Obu as old rugged cross. Or see when that voice call again, say I speak for your servant is listening. Because he has decoded things in the realm of the spirit to question it to his attention. I told you people see the eye of Eli is becoming dim. But he had go Jamie Bubeka the Anambo. The truth that we all know, I said, you shall know the truth, and the truth you know shall set you free, not the one that you don't know. You don't know that truth because it will not save you, it will not set you free. It's a truth, but you don't know it. This woman I waited for people who didn't know so well war ni na agba ndini nebu na on the circle ka isi amalo na onya aya natali gi egogo onya yes I need just sit down for you onya ihe na eme meteria onya okwu ayi ku ekuteria. Where are those people? That is what I'm saying now. Bible says and the law and again and the law and the love of money. Money is the root of all evil. Is the love of money, is the heart of men. That is that root of all evil. Evil brought to them, baby, that fuga powder. Evil. No. Evil, but when you see the truth and you sit upon it like a she goddess about Jezebel, you sit upon it and refuse to say the truth. That is when you have to know when to say the truth and when not to say it. Say the truth at all times, even again, no. Like you do best say again, when you stand for the truth, you always stand alone. I like you do Amakwam nke na tag great okwu ego. Amakwam nke na tag governor eziokwu here. I'm not here for governor eziokwu. I'm not here for governor eziokwu. I'm here to make my point clear. Because I'm not here for governor eziokwu. Because do. Amakwam nke na tag na my post. I'm not here for him. I'm not accusing Governor Ezoku. I'm talking about generally. Anybody that have vowed in a way, no, you speak the truth at all times. What happens now? Can't Akwa Okuko be questioned? Can't Akwa Okuko be questioned? Can't you shake it together? Bible says, and shaking together. Can't Akwa Okuko be shaked? Shake here. Asị na ihe gịnị so anyu ihe je eso anya afọ okwu ma gịnị obu na onyo ha anyu ogbo agbo ona man shake Akwa Okuko shake ya together question ya akpọ na phone jụọ ese sị na kedu mmadụ one na one nyere order eji weti this young man ihe a Book of Proverbs says that I quote, if you faint in the days of your adversity, that means your strength is small. Isaiah wee na-asị gịnị? Tie na opi ike anụnwa, tie na atilio ya n'isi. Opi ike anụnwa, lift up your voice like a trumpet. Hụwa ya ka opi ike. Gwakwa ụmụ ụwa njọ ha, and gwa the house of Jacob their sins. Igwu ụmụ ụwa njọ ha, that then a house of Jacob, igwakwa ha their own particular sin. It's not enough to tell the world their sins. It's not enough to tell Akwa Okuko his sin. And everybody their sin. Are you willing to tell Akwa Okuko his own part of the sin or community? That is why he specifically said, tell the house of Jacob their sin. Because the house of Jacob that na ha were their own fault. Stop making noise and say what really happened. Place, you know. They make noise. They make noise. If you are video, you pay attention. You there for a long time. You get out. It's not by force. You on your data. If the person is not making sense, you walk away from it. Someone making noise. I'm making noise. Jekwe bozo je malo the noise ha na make ije there ituwe maka give away asị ho gị because ị na-emanya ndị gị small na anya ana na-agba gị making noise. I wouldn't have come this live video no bro na people that we are supposed to question Akwa Okuko question him. Then stop waiting for him to come again to hear his own part of the story. Shake him and force that his part of the story from his mouth. Then eti na the story the boy man. We are together can man or corresponding. All who know me, unu put voice note to mmadụ. You put a confession nwoke. Enwete nke nwanyị. Una se kunu join we together can analyze there. Now what happened? Why are you people not making analyzing it now? Why are you people not analyzing it now? Why are you people not bringing Akwa Okuko together now? See, all of you just number direct line Akwa Okuko. That is when you have then I now jump into people sign ambassadorship. All of them need sign of that ambassadorship. Has any one of them come out to question Akwa? It's good to support him in a way magineme. Nande ba yi ada anu ihe ha gwozi n'ogwu abụrụ omenala Igbo. Onye lile oge ebe oji ije gwa ogwu, so be it. Onye lile igi ebe oji ije gwa ogwu, so be it. Elie na ego ebe ije gwa ogwu, jeje dibe na elige ego gị mana ihe na ajụ ajụjụ bụ na gịnị me where are the people that are supposed to question Akwa Okuko for ihe o mere for inye order onye nyere order ka itie the boy Akwa Okuko are you aware na enyere order Akwa Okuko ị nwere idea na enyere order ọ bụrụ na enyere order ahụ ka apịa this young man ihe Akwa Okuko who now gave the order are you not aware of this thing? People are beginning to ask questions. This boy, but open head can no voice note can send it. If you can say anybody can forge a voice note in order to bring you down. Man, this guy put a bar receipt ya now. Receipt told you go. Na early ego no get the best alien ego. Early ego give. Yes, your money has gone. Otilo. Man, I na just na what about the body pain? The humiliation? Because the Bible said even when Jesus began to want to heal people, he will first of all have compassion upon them. Ebele, on emelu ha ebele. Oyebuzo melo onya ha choro egwu oye ebele sia na that the compassion is what will ginger you in order for you to begin to say that thing that you have. Now, good morning, sir. Also, you are saying it to that boy himself supposed to show him faith. That is why you say from the beginning that the reason ego high is that na hayam henwe ihu ihele amankwe ha puta we say na gini me na elile ego ha. This guy na achọba okwu. Vic, ị na-achọba okwu. Vic, biko do. Jima afa chukwu na ya gị. Nke a mansi m n'ọnụ pụta. Here we need to hear you are responsible for the consequences of your comment. Here we need to deliver. Also, why didn't you call him by yourself and ask? Ejidom number Akwa, that is why I'm crying, because I have social media. Enwe ndị mụ Akwa direct. Enwere ndị mụ Akwa na social media na-apụtakwa nwee the audience clear this air kemgbe obido for the past 4 days. Enwe ndị nwee the audience clear ya, but he clear here. Ndị nwana pụta bịa kwuo okwu are speaking in favor of Akwa because of ego they involved. That is why now we people are speaking in favor of Akwa ego, but why are you people not questioning the fact and then you know that this man here who gave now the order? Who gave the order? The boy, you heard that is the simple question. Or can't you people call Akwa to the Jerome number Akwa? That is when you say there's a lot of people sign endorsement the deal. Naka Akwa Okuko. Okay, now this is where you have to come in as an ambassador. Ambassador Igbo is not all about manya amuonku aboego ekuenka emenko. Ambassador Igbo ambassador, you have to be able to also either defend your CEO one and question your CEO. Because you yourself, your image is at risk. Or hemenjiwe kutaoku ambassadorship. Fonde kana bata. On go in the comment na Akwa Akwa the money. Yes, Akwa Akuno say na Akwa Akugo, afubem na Akwa Akugo. Akwa Span no Okologo, fine and good. Okwana, but the damage has been done to the health of this young man. To the health of the young man, Kedi Homel. Yes, baby abu when we kobo no obiago check gate. Bam barezi we alarm. Gudi anubo go because he choro those harassment. You can easily say, okay, police should come and take this guy out from your premises and follow the boy popia. As a gentleman. Eje be na police. Nna obiabia ka ngwoli ogwu. Watch I met to my best knowledge. All nyama mazino, he did not keep to the terms and conditions. Because unu wana agwano ma unu si eme terms and conditions unu. Onwe ko the boy keep to the terms and conditions. Then spiritually does not exist in court. Spiritual issue does not exist in court. Court need the evidence. That is when okay the boy says no cholegua or no obala transfer bala genka. Because from this thing anon na ko mecha need the boy 500,000. The boy now Akwa Okuko the boy 500,000. 500,000 is it covering for the wound? Literally the boy 500,000 is it covering for Ogwa Ijieji? Why are you paying 500,000 naira for? And what is it meant for? That is where I'm calling on Ndimwelo Avenue. They call Akwa to order. Because I'm still growing. But my voice will not be hindered because now I'm not me speak go over something before in my life, which I will not see this one and ignore. Mgbe came out and saying that this young man, that man made a very big mistake. For venturing into a business on Amarania from beginning. And all evidences Akuzayan provide shows that Munya was the person who made a business with Mr. Man. Where are you coming from? Meliha, Akuzayan clear the air. Abia George based on in business terms, go and carry your drink and sell and recover your money. Because all your business for gain. Unless like the business, on a mutual level, on a mutual contest, say okay na biko, mezale mebele. O afugum na the thing and go code ohugogom no. Biko mele mebele, so okay na nego no do tua. Bimo obo na nkwolo ụgwọ 50 cartons. Ngwa biko ka mbulu 20. Refund ze am ego 30. Because onye nyele ego imano na nya na ego ọ na anọkwa. Even them as a celebrity sometimes doesn't even have one kobo in their pocket. So I'm still using the opportunity to call on anybody, everybody, any of you my contact. Let them go and settle that boy. If not for anything, a treat here. Follow that boy. You will do that boy a lot of good tomorrow. I'm not saying you should refund him his money. Upon a bonyo obi man and message okay now. The boy will get 3 million or so. I'm going to go on. You say okay now. I'm not going to to my best ability. Maybe in Obo. But in order to, you will do that boy a lot of good. Now if you camera giko that boy I can no. See na iwe. I should either kill the air. Ne. Omowa. I settle one. Are you making aye eseto luana? You open again that guy says una buy within yourself. I'm not saying you should bring everything on social media. Buy within yourself. Because the boy also made a mistake on his own part. By going to go in when the 3 million, I don't know why people want opportunity. He business he just get with lega he we just what in form of mother put ojeboro lego where my wedding. If you just believe go just my wedding. Or you believe go when I was one in school. If we're on ara, oh, it's about ara. The boy made a mistake in his own part. Who make you go that mistake? Okay, Akwa Okuko out of your own goodwill. I'm not saying you should do. I'm saying out of your own goodwill, out of your own benevolence. No one do slow you, but yes, that's what I mean. Out of your own goodwill. Was weak. See my brother, I just said to Lorna, because no do the buy the na 1 million gavazia. Bully a jail noble. A treat here because on a me that man on Uba or Lamatu Nana. A book on House of Rep. Emily kiss Zimalola. Want to drive an the guy do to his yoke. But very dark man ventured into this matter. And as a Koku or Korogo Banokoro, the young man have to come and take responsibility first for injury on that man. Okugodo will clear the bill. Nyekwa the man some money original sustain upon pending and board recover if you do ya fully. When in this scenario now, all go kago. More me here kitchen. Akwa Okuko weke will go to pass oju go to items, juju items eju ego the ogo. When you cannot bawa Akwa Okuko aka in his own part, imam babi aka. Yes, imam babi aka because I need a hamad in that are in this thing one name mad. Mana, we are emphasizing on again. Emegon this, emende no. From the story I know, add 200 je, so some mother na call I did 10 je, so for call even which one will not even recover. A good you made that him. this posted na neighbor. I keep saying it. This man this thing, for him to mention na Akwa Okuko sent Ike away, which means na he knows something. Make a mother na to you spend their close to 10 million no na wo. Ndi Igbo ihe na-eme isi kwa n'aka. Ihe na-eme anyị ma gịnị si anyị n'aka. When are we going to learn lesson? Kemgbe anyị bido mụtaba ihe. Unu decide unu ama nje ụka. Yes, you people have decided unu ekpebi gị akpakọ chịkọ kechie ya na ngwugwu tufue. Unu ama njezi ụka. Ngwana why not focus on what you are doing? You focus on what you are doing. Imazia na ona aka nchawa ma mbiale gị ona imansi n'ihe na-eme wee baa uru. Mana je na nke izizi ọtọ, je nke ịbụ ọtọ, je nke ịtọ ọtọ. Everybody that has been clamoring say eje n'ụka. You people are always the victim of these circumstances. Because amara m mgbe igwe ọgwụ ji wee bụrụ omenala Igbo. Ejike moment of truth. Ekenekwa gị, good morning sir. Amara m mgbe omenala Igbo ji wee bụrụ ịgwọ ọgwụ. Ọ bụrụ na this man kita anọ here, ya na enyi ya nwoke agada ada 10 million wele abido business. At least by now ha ka anyị maga ebe ha kwụ. Mana ha agada ada money jeje gwọ ka unu gwa wele ngwa ibobo. A na-ebute ego na-egosi na social media, a na-aṅụ nkwụ. Everything odinu a na-eme is centered on three things: nwaanyị, mmanya, agba egwu. Nwaanyị, mmanya, agba egwu. Nwaanyị, mmanya, agba egwu. N'obodo anyị na-agbagara today na-agwọlụ ụmụazị na-eme kidnapping ọgwụ today. Odeshi emeghe dibịa gwọlụ ya. Agwọcha ọdọ todeshi ahụ ijekwa agba gị itu ọbai. Na-agwọ ekechi client eme egwogwo tigwa na ekechi client dibịa gwọlụ data ọgwụ ahụ. Na-elita the street of Ani Igbo anyị with aja ekechile ekechi bụ dibịa gwọlụ data ọgwụ ahụ. For how long shall we continue like this? For how long? No happening na abịa ejezi anu ụzọ mmiri ahụ ịma ị na-echu mgbe ipele mpe. You can no longer go there because now somebody will ga akwara ede kechikọcha ya. Ya mmiri gịnị nwa no mmiri nna ya ya ihe nwanụ. Mana if ichefuzi na mmiri a bụ mmiri ọha. Somebody will give ya liter the whole thing niile. Somebody eme ya like that, eme ya allow ona agbanya asị gara gba ahụ bụla omenala. Somebody is taking advantage of those things. For how long ka the thing ya adịgide? For how long? Biko, ka nnabatagoro onye adị fụ nkwucha ihe m chọrọ ikwu. Okay, ejike moment of truth. Ejike network gị ọ na-edele m adịn. Ọ na-edele m adịn. So like I was saying, ọ bụrụ na ndị mmadụ ya amata ihe sị na all these things enwero gịnị gain dị na ya, the earlier the better for us. Ejike moment of truth. Amara m ọ bụrụ na ya update kwa your page. Ọ bụrụ ya update your page na chiata azụ. Somebody take go responsibility. We may gịnị over those things ha na-eme. Somebody take go responsibility over those things. Apụtazie onye ọbụla a na-elita the whole street a na-eme na ụmụ Igbo anyị today anaghị afụzi Yahoo as ajụ ihe is because na somebody else deceive go ha sị ha na ọha mere nne na nna ha. Let them go and take revenge. Let them go and take revenge. Ị na-akwado ihe ọjọọ unu na-agwọ na-ekechi ka e wee ịmakwana onye ọbụla pie phone nata mmadụ ego isi enwe ihe dị iche na onye ji egbotudo mmadụ n'isi n'ala ya ihe. They are the same thing but two different occasions can the thing occur. Onwere ihe dị iche. Today people anaghị like ịgba boy. People anaghị less onye totin ya chọọ ịzụ nwe ya azụ. Yotago onye tunite onwe ya nzulu ya azụ n'anya m dị ọna today bụ ihe agbata na boy this anya today na anya dị like this today bụ ihe agbata na boy ọ bụrụ an everlasting something that will live with me till the day I die. Moment of twist na ha na-send gị to one page. M amarakwa n'ebe ha na-send gị to. Biko iwe na iwe onwe ihe ọbụla ịchọrọ ede ya na the comment section ka nghọta ini n'anya dị like this today bụ ihe agbata na boy onye mụta nwa izu nweke ya azụ because na a lot of people ejego boy ụfọdụ ebenata ha n'ozu ụfọdụ eme gịnị amnọghị na-ewesi gị ọ bụrụ na ya akpọje onye dị guru ya azụta nwa gị nwa fine. A lot of people ejego boy gbatị ya but what happens to hand work? Izu oshi abụrụ omenala Igbo anyị. Izu oshi abụrụ omenala Igbo anyị, like I was saying. Ejike, good morning, sir.
No, for good morning. I'm more Indian page. I'm as no po something or something. And
obodo Igbo ọ dị ka ebubaga ebe ụmụnne gị nọ.
Mba, the thing is Facebook name that thing. Make you know but na program send so you name neither for the program. It just either you unblock them after no upload you follow. You won't bother send Zion, you know, I may invite. May unblock. I mean block after the program I can still unblock or follow. It's come off Facebook name. Anyway, your topic is okay. Anyway, okay. I just want to come in so that my little followers they can see you and follow you as well. That's all. Okay, anyway, sir. What happened to this guy and Akwa? You know why I didn't go deep to do the top program because all my program, we have been saying this thing till eternity. People have been saying this thing that these people have nothing to offer. What they do is that the more you look, the lesser you see.
You see.
They gather that if you want to start doing, you can go to bank, talk with your account officer. They'll just give you bundles of money. You come to your house, display it with some boys, drink champagne. Tomorrow you bring back the money to them. If you do it 10, 5, 20 times, people will think that you are super rich. You can even hire a car, just like what happened to Jesus. So once you do that, you already showed that impression that you are rich. You want to go? So the next thing, victims, I mean, gullible people start coming to you as a native doctor, as a fake pastor, or as a philanthropist, whatever it might be, you start scamming them. That is what is happening. Then, a graduate, or even a primary or a secondary school holder, because once you attend to secondary school, you need to blame your. In fact, there are people, in fact, the man many people no nisha, what do call either GS3 or stop. Because I'm accusing ya been a fagam ban a 4 Now, as a back on him, now, one lecturer from a back apartheid, now, Unizik, but not teach you with one guy from Fege. Even me as one boy here, no, I was teaching, but today he's a barrister. He was done. Or brother papier, oh, no go why more Mumbai near but today he's a barrister. Oh, yeah, number. He was so what am I saying? Or brother no papier call me blame. He was go. Or brother papier. Now, when you have now just 3 or secondary school, you can scatter for yourself. Now, this young man will have about 3 million naira or 2 million. Me and you, some of us are begging God, can you bless us with 50,000 so that we can establish business? Almost somebody here 50,000 today. In fact, business here now is more than Dangote. I'm telling you, there are thousands of people that are praying to have 100,000 as their business capital. That some people have told me if they can get 10,000 naira and add to their business, believe me, they'll be richer than any other person. Now, somebody who have 2 million already or 3 million decided to use it to do magic.
No, that's not magic.
That's money without sweat, man. Is it magic? Money without sweat, you know. Now, Akwa is just like a businessman that opened his business and set his trap for gullible ones to come and enter. If before I come to you to do something for me, if you say that you have power to make me rich, and you ask me to pay you 2,000 naira, 1 million, 10 million, I will ask myself, if this guy actually have power to make me rich, he had to do it to his wife, his mother, his children, his husband, his family, relatives, and friends. He wouldn't demand money from me, you know.
Imana, most of them are okay na Akwa jig like on comment there, but also not the carry person, all the Akwa the money. I don't know. Man, what I'm emphasizing on.
Even I advise Akwa because Akwa, the money you only be cover shame. The money you are throwing in party, you know, is enough for you to use to say Akwa have to pay because one, open at this thing gather somewhere based on that physical because of Facebook physical ETA, you know, that guy may have upper hand in that if he can be able to prove it, and Akwa will pay damages. You can't try such in a sane society, taking law into your hand. You want to go? So Akwa all get clever. The only way out is to pay that money. It's the case in New York. You want to go? And to save your name. In my previous post, more than a year or 2 years, I've been telling people that there were more than 1 million people who be victim of this. But some of them are not bold enough to come out and speak. Because now, how will somebody like me come out to tell the people that I gave a native doctor 10 million, 2 million, 150,000 to do juju for me to become richer than that, to start making money? People will be mocking, laughing at me.
Also that man. Only one comment in pin na this program.
Okay, ebe case what lu hotel. Ima na hotel lu ebe 1 billion naira. So ke Akwa na alu. What is he doing? Okay, people. Oh no. Ke company on alu. I mean ke ebe na azụ ahịa. I'm not saying that ihe na ebe illegal. But ke ebe na so this when 20 people give me 2 million to do okit or whatever for them, 20 people or 100 people name 1 million. And one 100 million, is it not true? From that,
at least you will 10 million. You bowling go make show off. I'm not
30 million. Or advertisement corp. I will bring out now my sweat. Is it my sweat? I'll bring 30 million. 30 million now just Messi Oringo. Then I'll bring another 500 million to my account. You want to go? So this is not about even Christianity or men, and it's just common sense. Common sense.
You know, today is that now. When a lot of people the avenue age Akwa question. Even a lot of people close to Akwa. Like I didn't on social media when can I walked away from endorsement deal along with Mago because of a similar issue like this, breach of trust. So you as an ambassador, not under Akwa organization, how can't you question your CEO? Because as an ambassador, your CEO have the right to fire you because you break you go one or two codes.
Anyway, you might be right anyway, but if I'm not mistaken, I'm not good in that anyway. But point if I'm your ambassador, maybe you have a car or drink you are selling, or just a phone or any product, you know, you hire me as an ambassador for that particular product, maybe a period of time or a kind of money. Maybe every other thing you are doing, just like Dangote is a group of company. He sells sugar, cement, trailer business, oil, and so many things. If ambassador Dangote hire me to advertise for sugar or cement, I will not go to his trailer business. I will only do the sugar and collect my money. Any other thing that he's doing behind is his business.
Okay. I'm not saying that they should go buy Akwa Okuko or anything. I'm saying use your platform in one way or the other. Because you being as ambassador, you do go close to this person. You can actually ask questions. Can you please dig more for us into so that I know that issue? You guys have the right not the issue because you people are Igbo ambassador, not ambassador to his personal life. But we are talking about humanity now level. I'm not saying that man because when it gets to physical eating, the thing about being horse. What if in the process of eating that guy,
because the point I know all of us are biased somehow, especially Ebonyi Siri, Iwotago. I know exactly what you are expecting people based on humanity level to speak out. We are condemning evil where it is evil and good where it is good. I know. But the point remains that all of us are biased in nature. If you're expecting some of us or some people to come and say some certain things, you might wait for eternity. Everybody's protecting interest in one word or the other. I understand. People know the truth. But my own point is this: I'm not looking for validation. I want to anything in common. But the point remains that almost everybody in the program have been telling people that these people ain't got anything to offer. In I got to them, you are your own. If you are going to them, just like you see, and now a Bazi boy, some of us but even in 3 places, 2 places, you want to go, even a set to do you want to go.
Asọmpi agbazina boy. Asị onye zụta nwe nke ọ ya azụ.
Emegom that program ebe nọ discourage esi na Igbo imagwu finance ka ihe agba mbọ ị na Igbo jizi ana si na 80% of us gba boy. Just imagine ịgbara mmadụ boy for 5 years. Ebia welu 500,000 or even ọkịta ego bịa gbarịsie ka ages 5 gba 200,000 150. Icheck ihe ọgbara na a month, man ọgbara ebe 500 naira a month for working for somebody, cooking for the wife, washing his clothes, washing his car, because all of the engine of that business, you go there 24 hours, bring customers, sell without carrying the money run to abroad, you know. But at the end of the day, onye anwelike or sit down easily ori in your live township that they don't want to see you in that line anymore. They don't want to see you in the entire that line in main market. You become totally miserable. But some of us because of it. We start pushing barrel, some going to conductor, some start picking up, and today some of us are eating. So because those days, all those things are there those days. I'm like Facebook, I drew much. You want to go? Facebook even just like cheat every joy up if you name it today every from beginning or just get along everybody was the phone. You want to go? So now but you see what you see what maybe stop we pick up from somewhere we don't manage you. So but get along when you finish it second primary 6 na ekwu kwa yesigba moto udi moto bi kubana na agba you want na agba na watch the video na agba $10 million. You want to go? I could remember during my secondary school one guy see America that time magama deport them name in a village magwa knowledge the kind of English on as na atọ so one day moto kwa fail and see how much is this price or gwa me magwa man only that sometimes na agwa go on a preaching or seem that I'm too small to ask about it. This thing I have my priority for now. You want to go? I'm not forget that thing. Need up my priority. But today, what I created 15 years, 10 years, you now calculate go iPhone, go moto, latest moto. Then get konya you will fall victim to native doctors. If for before years Jesus made this problem, I'm not using him as a case study, but because he misled a lot of people. He misled I'm a fundon about Ghana Millie. Mama and you bought auto, no walk, no weapon, no bundles of money. And these are maybe the things that attracted the people which I'm begging them to release him for the family's sake. None, but none. All that to call to Chamel, jebe bound, or what he now, in what when he kiss Mualaka, mechanic carpenter, in what when he kiss that far barboy, he chose a cape all Jane and Milky, become Richard and Dango to overnight. It was it 3 million Jevenya Aqua, Comelu Wauki, Kahim or Ipoya in a shop. A businessman will have nothing in your shop. Instead of you with that 2 million, go and buy market from Monisha from Lagos, put in your shop and start selling. Like other person.
When the distributor so have been 3 million or 2 million, a bigger 5 million.
If in an even this our brothers in the lecture, this zero beta, I mean, not even beta, thousands of them say, okay, you can change business. Open in a manner with 2 million. Say, okay, bros, I want to start distributing this or pure water, or this your zero beta or something like that, or whatever one. Okay, say, okay, carry it, go and sell. You sell, you do honesty. You may have 4-3 times. Open your credit. You want to go? Obiwe credit, if we my name, Ijeba Motego, you will go genuine somebody ma people more anything on name. In which the first one will fail, if there was with the 500,000, they will look at it and never can say, you look at how they operate. They put you on suspend that you don't need to sleep with a woman for 21 days. Which I used to follow my daddy to native daughter. I know how all those things work. Ibia, put you in suspense. So was that happy law. I seen him meet you up with that standard.
Yes.
Which I know that I will even give you 1 month. Which I know that all impossible. If you are saying no, make or which location, but I see more now location, Jerry. On one is
Ibuka format.
yeah,
Achofu one river mepele in case they bata kai si na bido.
Just everything. If to fake native doctor, fake pastors, they will interview you. I'm going to go ringo. You want to go mind all this okite money on a be life of social club, life for carrying women up and down, which means you can't stay 3 days without sleeping with a woman. You know what I mean? So now I'm going to you just like cigar. I'm going to not difficult to we stay 1 week without cigarette. So I'm changing the task, and the task na that mania here or cigarette, which I know you might be tempted. What also Akwa away go the guy, yana palanka, Tomago no boiler like wine or if ye the we what about the young. When you the condition, Edina Kuna, which also can acquire Julia, Nazism by Yamel even 28, not even 21. What I go? None. Man, Bible like that once you look at the woman, whether I may me commit to go, so I number one mass here, and no one but see from one, you see, now this girl, I'm a so no, that thing meant that the all of what I go. So yeah, I need to form out. So ya got the bonya ball. Each all mad jebe mad poyela mad fat nyane mo kit nyane marriage nyane menka is solo no jebe even as an adult. Ke na complains. He just say na be stop peace onyo. So yeah, the conclusion I'm urging our brothers and sisters, whether you're a pastor, whether you're a native doctor or whatever, please remember that we are brothers and sisters. Fall victim. Just like we explain, we can't smoke in churches, fake ones. I'm a Christian, but I don't generalize things. I believe that we still have good native doctors, but I'm yet to see some of them. All the native doctors now parading on Facebook or they are charlatans. They have nothing to offer.
Ihe na na-eme a na-asị native doctors asịrọ enwekwa ndị ya bịa gwa gị the truth, those that people are too gullible. Enwekwa ndị ya bịa sị gị na this thing na-achọ ime is ọ nara work. A lot of people ya ịbịa na nke ha na aka ịbịa ma sị gị na this thing anara work because ha ma na apart from you being an onye Igbo, automatically ịbụ onye omenala. So onye Igbo ibugodu first, ịbụ onye omenala.
Okay, Igbo boy kita, imalo okay, Igbo boy. Sometimes I go to one guy, open I have a tape. Some customer might come and say, hey, Emeka, no neighbor to buy and say, no, I have a question, trail about the bodies and that. Or Jen and Kenabun goal. Is it not true? But any day in when one guy, even we are not image shop, as people are about sell for me, sell for me. But the guy have one on the shop. Also, buto kit, also buto 100 days fast, also buto Bible in a dojo there. You will not sell. What do you mean? You want to go? So, in a general about what the Bible said that whatever we lay our hands, no matter how big or small, you will prosper. And what do you know? If you use service, in what a ball, in what I hear now, in more case, a missy, in my case, a mencha. What do you may say me? If you can't go from where? And to ask a question, and they protect when you When they protect, they use mobile police and security. Or security be here, and about the security. Man, all the same actually protection from enemy. Can't you listen to yourself? What
one night walk away, you can't go me because now what I'm still emphasizing on is the humanity level of this thing, man. Because a lot of comments here saying Akwa another money. Akwa the money, fine and good. Obukwa not supposed to, because Nigeria go to court. You and I know Nigeria court, and there's nothing like spirituality in a court.
Of course, man. No, the guy will pop and babe
yes, that. But there's no amount of Egi and that boy to justify him earlier. But what it needs to be done right needs to be done right.
Public anyway, nobody's perfect. You know, see, I have the problem I will not Igbo. We empower people. Once we empower them, they become semi-god. Start tormenting people. Religious people are doing it in church. Some pastors are using that. Some native doctor, whatever. Akwa took power into the sun. I'm saying it's allegedly. I'm not too sure whether he did it or not. But he took power, which is condemnable. Probably in a sane society, you can't try it at all, at all. You want to go? So I have to tender, promote that secret to open, tender approach, don't just pay him 2.5, ego compensate, let peace reign. And our brother should also forgive. We learn enough from experience. You also that want to abuse power, maybe on your housemaid or people that serve you. In fact, Igbo supposed to be a kind of body that control those things. And when madam, because so many madam do, if bad, how about a child housemaid, they treat her bad. So you know what I mean? If compound but you can't say anything. So I suppose they know a kind of body now in charge of those things. Boy, 2 years, 5 years, or a criminal. The last 7 years, he is certainly so I suppose in what body regulate those things. In my batch up, I happy he send the empty-handed, even when you serve well. So all those things needed to be done. Oh yeah, imagine that team madi put up police, escort, all those things have to stop. You want to go? One day, he committed that you pay. So I want such a thing. People like Akwa, we never try such a thing anymore. You want to?
Okay.
We have sentiment will justify. I don't justify the beating, no, never far be from me.
No.
Because it can happen to me. But my annoyance is this guy have been in internet. Man, here these people name Wayo. Oje follow victim. So yeah, what Lucha de be.
I can't remember this video obona that boy here. Because I believe you know Shimila de Lonya na for Okuya. And secondly,
some people
yes. I hear Kakwamo Binji Bata because there was another comment for somebody also na 2 of his friends are spending close to 10 million. Now bet this system Akwa still he actually did what enwerisi. Where are we really thinking? Are we really thinking? You know the talk that has the capacity of having 10 million, 3 of you. One more channel you use your money into something reasonable. Also, in here, okay, let us now everything on total. Support a business in a business without credibility. Nobody's going to patronize. And if what you are selling,
of course, you are going to fail.
If what you are selling is not genuine, man, all these things, if you are in business, most of them most of them most of them no into protection to against harm.
Of course.
Oh, you had any of the near educated is not signal unhappy happy. And they will find a way to cover that because
not even that. It's unfortunate that society we are now justifying criminality. Now Yahoo, we are not seeing it as normal thing. Nobody found as normal thing.
On the Libyan, on hang on what those things and I commit young boys as take revenge on them. You are taking revenge on who? On your own brothers. I want him go one boy and this thing ain't support one day. But these people here hold your account. Naligate get you save your mother in a hospital. That the key your man no one done made him job. I want him to do no. What the last money didn't get we save your mother for surgery or your father. Oh my we hack your account again. Naligate that day ba. How do you really need support? You are paying for it.
Do you know that on your job now on the pine can you back here with it into a one? Gone are those days. We are just doing our bank account. We are doing ourselves. So let them keep supporting evil now. Let them keep supporting evil. Yeah, you pay for your evil. That's all. You know, whatever you believe have nothing to do with it. You pay for your evil.
Thank you very much, sir.
And God bless you, my people. We are one.
Thank you very much.
Akwa still remain a first to reckon with. I don't blame Akwa. I'm not better than him. I might be doing even worse than him, pretending to be a saint. So, Akwa, you're a great first to reckon. You have earned my followership. I love you because you're a smart guy. You take the only people that are intelligent to run that kind of business.
Smartness in a pomadi begi ha wokwa smartness.
My dear guys, you went to school. You seem no now is a smart guy cop. So when you chop out the poor moki to keep in our law, me, I'm going to do my own even. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Hey. Nah. For ndị na-asị na akwụọ the money, akwụọ fine and good, ọ bụrụ na ọkwụgo, we really commend him for that. And from n'ọkwụgo go before m batted my program. And from n'ọkwụgo, but what pains me so much is that na ndị kwesịrị ikwu okwu ịmago but akpọ akwa na phone no and no from him without waiting for him to do the right thing, which is actually doing now. There are some people in their custody, in their right, that we are supposed to call this man to order. I know name to obezioko. For you can okite. All those okite nine juba akwa. Manda tachagolo nchala. Manda tachagolo nchala. Manda da kwasacha n'enu nwanne ha moko. Ochie ite kachagolo nka. Ochie ite 2021, 2022, 2023. Ndị nwe ọka na zekwa na ndụ ka ha nwụchala. Many of you, I won't say many of us tomorrow I am a problem, not because of what we did, but because of what we failed to speak against. Because of what we failed to speak against. In our support, we have it. Continue. Keep gaining, keep supporting. Keep supporting. Akwa Okuko na biu no choli aga. That's all form coach ligejili. Ono na bia no choli aga. And we buy na actually Nigeria. Akwa Okuko, did you end up your own part of the bargain? Emecha akwa akori here. It's so shameful that na ezokwa ha na-ekwu when that na channel the attention to. Epotakita si na-ekwilo ụwa, ni na-ekwilo onya, ni na-ekwilo onya. But when that thing happens to your own domot, how did you treat it? How did you not treat that thing, men at your own domot? Because one particular verse of the Bible was saying again, if your voice, if you faint in the days of adversity, that means you're small. That means your strength is small. If you faint, that is in Proverbs 24 verse 10. I will never forget. Then Isaiah 58 or again, that your voice that have to be lifted is like a trumpet. Or lift up their voice like a trumpet and show my people their transgression. One day in Kemo in Johan, then the house of Jacob, what the house of Jacob they are saying. When you lift up your voice to speak, to want to speak against evil generally, if you are what you have to do. But the house of Jacob, are you willing to tell the house of Jacob, job? Generalize everything. When it comes to the house of Jacob, you will not speak. When it comes to the house of Jacob, you will not speak. Ani nebo mmadụ. anyị na-ebu mmadụ nwa mmụọ emegbu na nwa mmadụ emegbu na nwa mmụọ. Ike kenecha m onye ọbụla bịa na this live video n'ụbọchị nketa asị m ebe ọbụla ị nọ wee join my for today. You are welcome and you did good and we appreciate every one of you. Biko abụ na akwa ikwu na the money, good and fine, we salute you for paying that money. But for ndị decided to keep quiet and support the beating of this young man, ma ndị na-asị n'etiti ha dị ya n'aka ya iti ya tiluo ya n'isi tiwa ya isi mee ya nke anọnwa a sị ebulu ozu onye ọzọ n'isi ọ dị ka ebu gịnị ukwu nkụ, ebulu onye ọzọ n'isi ọ dị ka ebu ukwu nkụ. How long shall we continue like this? Even if not for anything, that man, that guy bụ nwoke, ọ bụ nwa mmadụ, ọ bụ nwanne mmadụ, o nwere ike tomorrow ọ ya bụ di mmadụ, o nwere ike ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ di mmadụ nkịta, o nwere onye ekpele ka ihe ọjọọ mee ya. But we buy na that kind of thing adaptago. What is the way forward? Come out gwa mmadụ na o mejọrọ ya na o metere ya, gwa nwanne gị na o metere ya. Because the charity we speak says charity begins at home. The truth we speak says that truth begins at home. Say the truth at all times, because like you do when you stand for the truth, you always stand alone. It's good to stand alone and be rather than when you stand in the midst of gullible people now say ride on. No, because they feel that you are talking to one particular person, I hate it. But when it comes to that person, I like it, they will not allow you to talk to that person because ego abana naka. Ego abana naka. Always you compromise ya. You compromise ya. Ka ọ dị nụ biko na ekwuchakwa m ka ọ ha m n'ọnụ. Bye bye.